let's see this question. This is a JEE. In this question, we are given the diagram, and M1, M2, and M3 are 4 kg, 6 kg, and 10 kg. They're asking us the tension in the first row, which is T1. So they're asking this value. When the whole system moves with an acceleration 2 meter per second square, which means this is the motion of all the blocks. Okay, the easy way to do this question is by considering that this is the tension T1, and all of these blocks, form one single block of mass 10 plus 6 plus 4, which will be 20 kg. Right, and this 20 kg will be acting. If I consider this whole block as these 3 blocks as one system, due to the weight, it will be acting 20 g, and upwards will be T1. And since the net acceleration is in upward direction 2 meter per second square, I can write the equation as T1 minus 20 g is equals to 20 into that acceleration. 20 into acceleration. So T1 minus 200 is equals to 20 into acceleration, which is 40. So T1 is equals to 200 plus 40. So T1 comes out to be 240 Newton. This is an easy way to solve the question. But in case we do not consider this whole as a one system, and if we consider every block and draw the FBDs, then also we will get the answer. So this is one way. Another way to do the same question is by considering that this is T1, this is 4G, 6G, and then 10G. The tensions acting are T3, T2, and T1. Now if I write the equation for 4 kg block, it will be T1 minus of T2 plus 4G is equals to 4 into that acceleration is T2, which is 2. So T1 minus T2 minus 40 is equals to 8. So T1 minus T2 comes out to be 48. This is, let's say, first equation. Now this is for 4 kg. Now for 6 kg, the equation will be T2 minus T3 plus 6G in one bracket is equals to 6 times of 2. So T2 minus T3 minus 60 is equals to 12. So T2 minus T3 is equals to 72. And this is, let's say, the second equation. Now with both of them equation, we can form another equation, but that is not required. If I just consider the 10 kg block, it will be T3 minus 10G is equals to 10 times of 2. So T3 comes out to be 20 plus 100. It will be 120. So T3 is 120, but we require T1. If I put the value of T3 in the second equation, I get T2 as 192 Newton. But what we require is T1. So putting in first equation, what do I get is T1 minus of 192 is equals to 48. So T1 is equals to 192 plus 48, which will be 240 Newton. So this is our final answer. So you can either consider the whole, all of the blocks as one particular system with a mass of 20 kg, and that particular mass will provide a weight as 220 g, and then we can form this equation as well. Or simply we can, do with the basics by forming equation for each body and do the same thing. Thank you.